Stop. Before you open Duolingo, buy a textbook or sign up for a course, watch this. Because German is not just about memorizing random vocabularies or grammars. It's about understanding the game you are going to play. And today in this video, I'm going to give you a real roadmap so you avoid the biggest mistakes and actually enjoy learning German. Let's go. So let's get started with the topic, what most people get wrong. Let me guess, you thought learning German would be like learning Spanish or French? Nope. German is logic-driven, case-heavy beast, but also incredibly fun if you approach it the right way. And most learners make these three big mistakes right from the start. Number 1, they try to learn everything at once. Mistake number 2, they don't focus on speaking early. And lastly, mistake number 3, they panic about grammar before even building basic vocabulary. Now let's talk about the mindset shift. Here's the thing, most people give up on German not because it's too hard, but because they expect it to be easy. But the thing is, German is a logical language. It's like programming for your brain. And once you understand the system, it starts making sense. But first, you need to drop the idea of being perfect. You will mess up articles. You will say ich bin Hunger instead of ich habe Hunger. Normally if you say in English I'm hungry, in German it should be ich bin Hunger. But instead of ich bin Hunger, you say ich habe Hunger. These are some common mistakes you will do when you start learning the language. And that's okay, that's perfectly fine. What matters more than perfection? Consistency and curiosity. And here's your mindset shift. Don't memorize, build patterns. Don't aim to speak correct German, aim to speak real German. Don't study German, leave it a little every day. You can try to speak out loud, talk to yourself, or even repeat YouTube phrases. Say ich bin müde when you are tired. Don't try to be perfect at first, just start with the basics. Now let's talk about what you actually need to learn fast. Here's the truth. If you only focus on these 5 things in your first month, you will be miles ahead. Number 1, pronunciation. Learn how to say words correctly. Umlauts matter. Number 2, learn the basic verbs like sein, haben, gehen, kommen, machen, etc. Number 3, learn sentence structure. Subject plus verb plus extra or the object. This is the basic foundation of any sentence. Number 4, learn question words like wer, was, wo, wann, warum. So wer means who, was means what, wo is where, and wann is when, warum, why. And lastly, number 5, learn common phrases like wie geht es or wie geht es dir. That means basically how are you or what's going on. Ich verstehe nicht. That means I don't understand. Können Sie das wiederholen? Können Sie das wiederholen? That means can you repeat it? So these are some common basic phrases which you can learn in your first month. And believe me, this give you 80% of the results you want. The rest come naturally. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes to avoid. Let me save you weeks, even months of frustration. Most beginners fall into these traps. Don't be one of them. Mistake number 1. Learning vocabulary without context. Do you know what people do when they start to learn German? They often memorize vocabulary lists like der Hund or means dog in English, die Katze, das Haus. They just memorize them word by word and then they wonder why they still can't form a sentence. Instead, what you can do is learn in sentences like ich habe einen Hund. Instead of just learning the word der Hund, you have learned ich habe einen Hund. That means I have a dog. Or instead of learning the word die Katze, you learn die Katze schläft auf dem Sofa. Die Katze schläft auf dem Sofa. That means the cat sleeps on the couch. When you learn full sentences, your brain stores it in patterns, not just random words. Hey, sorry for interruption, but if you have just started learning German and want to pass your A1 and A2 exam as quick as possible, like in just 1 or 2 months, then my fast track programs can be a good suit for you. You can find them down below in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Let's talk about the mistake number 2, which is avoiding speaking out loud. This is the most common mistake I see among the learners, which is many learners wait until they are ready to speak. But let me give you a spoiler. That moment never comes. You will speak broken German in the beginning. And that's exactly how you learn. The theory behind this is simple. The earlier you speak, the faster you improve. Now let's talk about the mistake number 3, which is ignoring pronunciation. Don't wait until B1 or B2 to fix your pronunciation. Start now. Learn the sounds like sh, r, and ü properly. Okay? They will make you sound more natural way faster. For example, ich, dich, Buch, Reise, über, Bücher, Rate. So these are some pronunciation which you can practice at the start of your learning, not at B1 or B2 level. Now let's talk about the mistake number 4, which is comparing yourself to others. Just because someone speaks better than you doesn't mean they learned faster. Maybe they have been at it for 3 years. Just focus on your journey, progress over perfection. Now let's talk about some common pitfalls and how to beat them. Some people quit German because They feel overwhelmed by grammar. They compare themselves to native speakers. They think it's taking too long. And here's how to beat that. Use simple German every day. Celebrate small wins like understanding a YouTube comment or asking for directions. And finally, join a community where people learn together. So that was for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. And if you're learning German from scratch and want to access my A1 and A2 crash courses, then you can check out this playlist where I shared my A1 and A2 crash courses absolutely for free. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.